Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to continue the last video, pick up right where we left off, and I'm going to talk about this theme-specific CSS file that we need to include for this layout so that we can have theme-specific styles for this layout that aren't going to get included in the overall bundle of this layout. And now we also have this sidebar layout.scss, which we've totally neglected, right? So I want to use this. I want to show you how this is used. So let's come to our TPL and let's give something a background. Let's give L branding a background. Actually, let's give something that's already in the layout, L page or L main, whatever. We'll give the sidebar first a background because that way it's easier to see. So we can say this is going to have a background of, let's just say it's going to be 999, and that's all good. So keep in mind this is compiling, but we still haven't told our theme to use this file. And also we're going to want to add in our variables at least, or else we'd want to bring in compass and breakpoint, that sort of stuff. And actually we should at least bring compass in here. I'm most likely to use compass on this. But either way, sidebar first, only on this particular theme version of this layout is getting this background color. It's getting compiled to our CSS. Now we just need to tell our theme, yo, look at this file. Cool. So let's come into our themes info file. This is levelup_omega.info. And just like we have all these other style sheets being loaded and these scripts being loaded, here is where we can tell our theme to check out this layout specific style sheet, right? So you could really do this anywhere in this file. You might want to just do it underneath everything. So we could say layout styles, whatever you want to call that. And we can say layout, and then we're going to pass in the layout name, which is going to be sidebar. And then we're going to say style sheets, again, all. So the reason we're putting it here is because we don't want this CSS to travel with the theme or with the layout if we're moving it somewhere. We want this to be site layouts or theme specific, like I've said before. So that's why we're defining it here, layouts. And this is of course just the path to our CSS file, which is level sidebar.layout.css. Okay, that's long, and I'm pretty sure there's no typos there. So now we should be able to clear our cache again and come back to our page. Let's refresh. And we see our sidebar has that color that we wanted it to have. And now if we were to change the layout to something else, this color would go away, this layout would go away, and we now have a portable theme, but still have the ability to make modifications to it. Great, so in the next video, we're gonna show you how you can actually take this layout and we're gonna create another one by duplicating this layout. And then we're going to modify it even more. We're going to add regions and stuff like that, modify the TPL file a little bit more. And in the video after that, we're going to show you how to contextually switch between them. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment at Twitter or Facebook, anywhere in the video. Just let us know what you're thinking. I always love to read the comments, but we get a ton of comments a day, and a lot of them are people asking for technical help, right? And I can't always give the amount of time I would love to give helping out people, because of course this is just a side project for me. I have a full-time job, right? So I'm only answer the questions that I absolutely can answer quickly, and I promise that I do read them and I try to get to them. So if you're reading the comments and you know an answer to somebody's question, please help them out and answer them, and I will do so the same when I can. So thanks for watching. Bye.